Labor rights. Follow me now. Labor rights. You're looking good. You're looking ready. You look good. You look ready. You sound ready. Huh? Yo.
Testing 1 3. Me not guess 2. What about
what on, Sanchez? Labor rights. Yeah. Yo. You look ready? You sound ready? 1. Yo. Hey. Sanchez. Stop it. Woo. We don't have any mic problems here. This party is ready. We are always ready. All systems ready. Show our labor rights. And at this time, we call the strong, the awesome, the powerful, the amazing chairman of Era Council 2, the member of parliament for Southwest St. Catherine. Nobody. One Warmington. We welcome Clifford Everall Warmington.
Not yet, just introduction now. I'm not ready to speak yet. I'm redeemed.